What is an integrated air conditioner? Simply put, it combines the indoor unit and outdoor unit of a traditional air conditioner into one. Designed specifically for cars and RVs with limited space, this unique design brings numerous advantages. In terms of installation, it is extremely convenient. There is no need to find additional outdoor installation space like a household air conditioner. It can be directly installed in the cab or compartment of the vehicle, avoiding complex installation procedures. Even DIY enthusiasts can easily handle it.